So, in this video, I'm gonna tell about how to make your Android device faster. So, you can see that the working speed of my device is currently is a normal as in an Android device found. So, what can we do to make it faster? I mean, you can see that it's opening apps in delay. ये ऐप्स को खोलने में काफ़ी देर ले रहा है. Let's open the camera here and you can see that it has more delay in opening the camera. And in every app, let's open the VLC. It's taking delay. And let's open the dictionary. It's taking some delay now. So what is the way to make your Android device faster? So I'm going to tell about this way. First, go to your mobile settings, go to the about phone, go to the software information. In this, and you can see a build number option here. Tap on this.
Here.
After 5 to 6 times, tap on this, and after tapping on this, you can see another option here. You will see the developer options here, and you can go directly in your developer options. और वीवो में डेवलपर ऑप्शंस इस एडिशनल फीचर के अंदर होते हैं, लेकिन सैमसंग में यहीं हैं. और एमआई में अलग होता है, ये सब में अलग अलग होता है, लेकिन डेवलपर ऑप्शंस को इनेबल कर लेना है. उसके बाद थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करो एंड आफ्टर स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन यू विल सी दिस द विंडोज एनिमेशन स्किल. You are to turn off the Windows animation skills. Turn off all the Windows animation skills. Now, let's check the speed. Close all apps. As you can see that all apps, no apps are running in the background. Now, open the apps. Open dial-up. It's fast. Open browser. It's fast. Open YouTube. It's also so fast. Open VLC, it's also fast. Open dictionary,
Very nice.
very fast.
Very
And you
good.
can see that there is no delay in app opening and scrolling.
आप प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें
Open
हमारे चैनल को.
Open settings, no delays here. And I hope you understand. Let me know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.